your galley, pressing into. And your final place, take a leap.